The people of Israel were slain before the servants of David, and there was a great slaughter that day. 20,000 men lost their lives. Have you seen it? No, 20,000 men lost their lives. Verse 8. In other words, 20,000 widows emerged. Verse 8. For the battle was there scattered over the face of all the country. Is somebody reading with me?
Yes, sir.
They would kill more people that day than they thought. For you to open 2 Samuel chapter 18 verse 6 says, so the people went out into the fields against Israel, and the battle was in the wood of where? Ephraim. The battle was in the wood of Ephraim. The battle of Saul was where?
In the wood of Ephraim.
No! The battle of Saul was on Mount Gilboa. The battle of David this time around against Solomon and the entire Israel was in the wood of where? Ephraim. See something very strange. I was rounding up, the Spirit of God saying you didn't wrap it up the way I asked you. That's why I picked up my Bible. I want to show you one that I had already packed it. The Lord made something in my spirit. The way I should have. Alright, let me show you something before you continue praying again. My trust Alpha and Omega. My trust is in you. I don't want to give further instructions. You heard something. Look at verse 21 together with me. Alright, before we read verse 21, let's read verse 20. Tell it not in Gath. Publish it not in the streets of Ashkelon, lest the daughters of the Philistines rejoice, lest the daughters of the uncircumcised will triumph. Ye mountains of Gilboa. Friends of Jesus, this is where my explanation for today's sermon is going to anchor on. Brothers and sisters, for every success a man records, territorial elements of nature must cooperate with him. When God wants to destroy a man, he not only withdraws physical help, he also withdraws elemental help. Let me shock you. Do you know the kind of wind that has passed through this church and it has not fallen? When somebody constructed a church with millions and while service was on, people died inside of it. Sometimes when the storms rage, I stand in my house, I remember the church. Air can pass from everywhere. Oh my God, what happens to the thing? If the church falls down, what do we do? As poorly constructed as this building is, elements of nature. I want to talk to somebody here. Do you know that God had the powers to make Jonah float with 32 teeth? But the floating Jonah will become an easy prey to crocodiles. A floating Jonah will become food for hippopotamus. A floating Jonah will pull off a species in a shark's belly. It was not river, it was an ocean. In an ocean, you find fishes that can swallow up human beings. You don't understand what I'm talking about because the best on my Bible this far. Now, Saul. David didn't blame the chariot. Didn't blame the horses. Didn't blame the armies of Israel. The special security guards that went with Saul to battle. He blamed one. Let's go to this. He believed in the oil in my life, but he didn't believe I should do what I am. I should rather stay under another husband to walk his way. Then for the first time, he changed his mentality at that last reset. Say, God is with you. Yes, sir. I will support you. Amen. And he looked most difficult person. I have to convince I have a call in my life is my younger brother. Up till the time he came to service, he believed in the call, but he didn't believe I should start a war. Let me tell you a story. He believed I should have been a pastor under somebody. He didn't believe I should have owned the church. And of course, I don't need people's belief to do what God has asked me to do. But after serving last Sunday, my brother looked at me and said, God.
Sometimes I cry when I think of all the pains that have caused you inside, but you still love me. Oh, you still love me. Hallelujah. At the end of the day, he loves me. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, he loves me. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, at the end of the day, he loves me. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, he loves. It doesn't matter who I'm calling. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, he loves. He really loves me. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, he loves. It doesn't matter who I'm like. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, he loves. He really loves me. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, he loves me. But you still love me. Oh, oh, you still love me. See, I don't need to be emotional. Sometimes I cry when I think of all the pains that I've caused you inside. It's unbelievable. Your love is so many. Your love is unconditional. You love me. Oh, you still love me. Your love is unbelievable. Your love is so amazing. Your love is never want to take advantage of your grace and the sacrifice you made. I'm gonna make it right. I have nothing else to give except my life. This is just my offering. I present my body, my sacrifice. Holy, holy. I'm running back to the hands of lifted, my hands lifted high. I give you my heart, and I give you my heart.
David's life. He was fighting against his own biological son and the entire Israel. And the men that were with David were so few that the Bible did not take note of the number. The entire nation of Israel came against David and a few men. Then the word of the Lord says David's men killed 20,000 men that day. Can I talk? And then God began to expatiate further. That is not as if the 20,000 men died by the sword of the few men who decided to get up and fight.
Yes, sir.
Trees started moving. When they run and come, trees will remove the stem. They will hang their neck. Read further. Read further.